Hey guys, it's me Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a quick review of a kinky straight wig from Luvin Hair Shop. And so I'm actually going to take it out of the package at the same time for the first time with you guys, so you guys can see firsthand what it looks like. It is a lace front wig, so there is some lace that I'm going to have to cut. But it feels really soft, and look how shiny it looks. So I did get my hair corn rolled, and because it's a straight wig, I wanted to make sure like my head was flat so that the wig can lay flat on my head. Usually when I have like a kinky curly hair wig, I basically just like put my hair in twists and then pin it down because it doesn't really have to be too flat because the wig is going to be huge. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly cut the lace. Okay, so as you can see, it does come with baby hairs. Okay, so I did finish cutting off all the lace. So I'm ready to put it on. I just want to show you guys the inside as well. There are some combs. So there's 4 combs all together, and then there's also adjustable straps. So I know I'm gonna have to use the tightest probably because my head is extremely small. All right, let's do this. Okay. Let me just adjust it a bit first. Okay, so I'm just gonna find the parting. I guess you can part it anywhere really, but I'm just gonna kind of go with the one that it naturally comes up to. I guess you can part it any way you want, but to me it's just always easier to go with how it came already and just kind of secure the wig. Do that on both sides. And then it also hides like the lace too. Okay, so as you can see, like there is some work that I have to do in the front to make it look realistic. Number one, I'm gonna cut a bit more lace at the front just because like I could still see it. And then do you see like how the part is kind of thick at the top? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some tweezers. I'm gonna kind of pluck some hairs out so I can see the scalp a bit better. And then I can conceal it with concealer. Okay, so I'm back from plucking my hairline, and all I did was take like a tweezer and then just kind of take out hairs like this basically. I didn't do too much because I don't want it to be too thick of a line. I'm gonna take an actual thin brush just so that I don't get the hairs and I just actually get the hairline. Okay, so I went ahead and I put in the concealer, but then I also put powder over top of the concealer just to kind of hold it all in place. So as you can see already, like it's looking a bit more realistic. So I'm kind of flatten the top part a bit more just to kind of have it like shaped to my head more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray the top of my hair very lightly. Not too much though, just enough because once I put like a satin scarf over top for a bit, it's gonna kind of take the shape of my head more if it's like a little damp. So I'm just gonna tie this around my head, probably just for like maybe 20 minutes even. Then I'm gonna kind of start layering, and I might have to cut the lace a bit more just to see what it looks like after once everything is done. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes now, so I'm gonna see what it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, it definitely made a big difference. Like it's laying a lot flatter on my head. So I'm gonna cut probably a few more baby hairs just at the front, and then I'm gonna cut a few more layers. We'll see how this one. I really like this wig. I actually don't want to ruin it. Okay, hold on. Let me do it off camera really quickly, and then I'm gonna show you guys the difference. So you might even like the long layers and keep like that. Like this is really nice too, but I'm just gonna cut out just a little bit of layer, just so it can kind of look like this, if you know what I mean. I might do a little bit here, or I might even just leave it. Okay, so I am back, and I did finish trimming my hair. I trimmed a little bit of layers in the front. As you can see, it's like a bit more shorter in the front, and I cut a teeny bit off the ends because the wig just like looks fuller when you have like more blunt ends, and just like in general your hair just looks thicker. And so I did cut a little bit here as well, just to kind of match the side, but I didn't cut as much. I really love this wig, you guys, so much. And you didn't really have to cut layers, but I just like to, because I feel like my face is really small, and I feel like sometimes like when I have like really big long hair, it overpowers my face sometimes. So I find that if I like frame my face a bit better, it just looks better on me. I am gonna probably bump it a little bit with the flat iron just on the end, just to kind of give it a bit more shape. Because it's more of like a kinkier wig, when you do cut layers, like it looks really blunt. It doesn't kind of blend in as well as it would if it was a curly wig. So that's probably why I would kind of like maybe put a little bit of bump to it. So I'm gonna add in some pictures of what my hair looks like because I don't have a flat iron right now. But what do you guys think? Like, I'll show you guys the back and everything too. It's so full and thick. I love it. I love the shine to it, and it's like not too shiny at all where it's like it looks fake or anything like that. It's human and it's affordable, and that's why I like this company, because like you get like pretty good quality for the price, right? But yeah, you guys let me know what you guys think. This is what the wig looks like when I put all the hair out to the front, and this is what it looks like if I just kind of put a little bit to the front. So it's still it's a lot of body, a lot of density for sure. And I love the texture. If you guys want to see up front, beautiful, beautiful wig. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. All the details of this wig is going to be in the description box below. If you guys are interested, definitely go check it out. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this wig. And if you guys want to see the other review I did for a kinky curly wig from this website, definitely go ahead, check out that video. I'll also include it in the link below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.